Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Hello, hi, mabuhay, welcome. This is me, Martina, but I changed it up a bit since my nickname is really Tina, so my channel is now Tina de Guzman if you're shocked, or if you saw I change. Welcome to my channel, and I decided to go back to vlogging. Hopefully this is the year that I get to focus on my vlogging also, besides my other jobs that I'm doing. I'm really excited for this since my first vlog is out of the country, and I hope to have more travels, whether it's out of the country internationally or here locally. And yeah, I'll just keep it simple like that. I forgot to do an intro, so I'm doing it now. And it takes a while since it's been a while since I did some vlogging, but I hope you guys enjoy this vlog, first vlog of 2026. If you guys have any suggestions, don't be shy to share them down below. So I'm sick, I'll just keep this short. That's all for now, so may the adventure begin with you and me. Come on.
Ikaw nga naunahan.
Sorry guys, lang.
Vlogger era din. Hello. On the way to Bangkok. So continue our boarding process. Favorite vessel zone 3 passengers seated from row 6 to 19. So please board the aircraft now. Gate 102. All right, please. Hi guys. Trip to Bangkok. Hindi na siya drawing. Hindi na siya drawing, guys.
True. Natuloy na.
Natuloy na siya. Yung drawing, ano na, naging 3D. Nagkakulay. Touchdown, Thailand. Touchdown. Hello, we're in Thailand. Touchdown. Touchdown. We're in Thailand. Sawadee-ka.
Fair class. Hindi pantay-pantay si mama. Ay, agi mo pag bumaba ako.
It's currently 9 p.m. dito sa Bangkok. And nagsama-sama muna kaming tatlo na magkakasama sa room. Nasa mission lang kami. Mission! Hidden gem siya. So, mag-figure out natin ngayon kung ano ba ang hidden. Charot.
Parang sure kung Bitcoin mantra siya, pero sabi ko hidden gem daw siya eh.
Ay kasi sa bagay, masarap na siya tapos nasa tagod. Andito kami to eat. Kasi kami hindi pa kami kumakain.
So yun, kakain muna kami. Papakita namin yung food mamaya and then i-rate namin siya. I-rate. Na-enjoy ko to kasi ito yung mga bagay na sabi ko, parang masaya din. Kasi nasa new place ka, so maraming bago, mag-explore ka. Masaya.
Akala ko picture. Nag-post siya.
Lalo na yung hindi siya yung sa usual. Kaya din nagdadalawang isip ako yung tungkol kung susunod tayo sa mall. Kasi kung pupuntahan naman natin siya doon ng ibang araw, parang pwede naman tayo mag-ikot ngayon, di ba? Not tayo din.
Ano mo rin wala na kabalo? Patapos na rin po siguro sila. Hi guys! Sawadika! Sawadika! Yun, alala ko na nag-vlog nga pala akong bading na ito. So, day 2. Bading na ito, day 2. Rhyming. Chariz. So, kagabi nakita nyo na kumain kami outside, kami tatlo. Ngayon, nagpe-prep na kami lahat because pupunta kami sa museum. At syempre sasama ko kayo kasi kung hindi, bakit pa ako nag-vlog, diba? So, museum and then marami pa kaming gagawin. I think may mahabang free time tapos mag-icon siya mata. Parang gusto ko mag-pop mart. Update ko pa kayo later. Nag-uubos lang ng tsa. Shoutout kay Sage Garden. Sa kanila yon. Masarap yung tea nila kung mahilig kayo mag-tea. Tapos meron na rin silang permanent place. Saan ulit?
Congressional.
Yan, sa Congressional. Lagay ko na lang dito. Nakaganda na. Para puntahan nyo siya. Hello. Crib.
Sawadee ka. Tour guide ka.
Tour guide ka. Tour guide ka. Sawadee ka.
Diba? Nakaano?
Beach.
Sawadee ka.
Saji. Saji sa popo.
Can you imagine?
Ano yung butas?
Sa UPTC. Hi guys! So, we just finished the museum right now. We just finished it. It was amazing. Ang ganda. all of their art, very different. It has really story. May isa kami napanood. At first, medyo eerie siya, but then nung napanood namin siya all throughout, it was really a beautiful but sad story din. So, I hope you guys come here pag pumunta kayo ng Thailand. It's worth it. Yung 700 baht worth it. Yun din sabi ko sa kanya kahapon.
Hindi nag-club sa ako pero hindi ko.
Yan. Mekos. Wow.
Yeah, you put masala spicy.
No,
Masala.
masarap, yeah.
Yeah.
Masala is good.
Masarap is good. Pagka natin mo chewy food tayo, no? Akala ko ba chinelas lang?
Always buy good food.
Wow. Aroy ma.
Masarap.
Yes. Hi guys, bumalik muna kami ng hotel. It's currently 6 pala to. 6:20 dito sa Bangkok. Papahinga lang kami saglit before kami pumarty kasi pa-party daw kami sa rooftop churches later. So, hindi ko na nabibigyan yung pagbili ko, but finally, makakatikim na ako ng OG sticky rice dito. And, kung nakita nyo kanina, Rappi! It's like, Rappi! So, magmumukbang muna ako. Panoorin niyo ako kumain. Ito time-lapse ko na lang.
The woman was too stunned to speak.
Ang tamis.
Sun's coming up.
Y'all, it's sweet. Ang sarap. Naka-time-lapse na ako dun sa roti, pero sobrang sarap. 10 out of 10. Ganun. Pero ang tamis ng mango. Sarap. 11 out of 10. Ayaw mag-ending nung, yeah, okay na nga yan. 11 out of 10. Actually, parehas. Sobrang sarap. Nice. Check. Hi guys.
Anong gagawin niyo kung yung binok ko panwasa?
Eh di go, natay. Ano daw? It's 8 p.m. dito.
Tichucha pala.
Tichucha. At magpa-party kami ngayon. So yun, pupunta kami doon para mag-party din. To experience to party sa ibang bansa.
Yeah.
So yeah. Okay, saan tayo?
Chupa!
Chupa!
Tichupa!
Tichupa!
Over and over and over. Over and over and over.
It's 9:43 a.m. Tulog pa yung dalawang kasama ko, pero yung iba kasi nasa cafe na malapit. So, pupuntahan ko sila doon. I made my coffee. Pero sa totoo lang, sobrang sakit ng katawan ko pa. So, parang magpapamasok kami ulit mamaya, end of day. So, yun lang. For now, we're gonna go. So, mag-aayos lang ako. So, good morning, everybody. Now it's 11:20 a.m. here. Look at the sun. Isn't it neat? Isn't it neat? Gaganon na lang, no? So beautiful here. Okay. So, just like I said a while ago, papunta na ako sa cafe. Kung nasan sila. So, I'll go there enjoying. I'm just soaking up the sun. It's so beautiful. I love it here. I'm going there. Bye-bye. Bye for now. Crab snap. Crab snap. Okay, I'm going for now. Hala, ang cute! Grabe pulang-pula. Guys, sobrang init. Whew! Sobrang init. But, it was worth it. Nakalakad kami kung saan-saan kanina. And, ang dami naman kami nakita. Pero maglalakad pa kami. Bumalik lang muna kami sa hotel para sunduin yung mom ko tsaka mga pinsan ko. I think magpa-plat kami dati nung. Then, I think mag-shopping na kami konti. Ayun, sunog na sunog ako. Sunog. Pero okay lang, worth it. Minsan lang tayo makalabas tsaka mapunta sa ibang bansa, right? So you have to enjoy the best. The best? The most of it. Yun. Okay. Kaya nga saglit. May swing dito, guys. Amazing. Super comfy. Say hi!
Tuk-tuk.
Nasa tuk-tuk!
Tok na mababa. Sabi mo pagtapos na.
Hello, good morning. Good morning to our vlog. It's day something. Something 4? Day 4. 4 na. 4 na. Hindi pa. Uwi tayo bukas. Oo nga. So 4. Day 4 na namin here sa Bankers.
Pagka na ba?
Dito kami kahapon. Tapos doon naman daw sa tapat. Breakfast muna kami.
Ate.
Oo nga. Breakfast muna. Sa Icon Sham na kami. Icon Sham, Icon Siam na kami. And nagkahiwa-hiwalay kaming lahat. Because I wanted to buy the elephant pants. So ito na siya. Yung iba sa kanila papunta na sa what they call this, biggest pop mart.
We will want to take care of you with our
Antay-hilo gamot yan.
Hi guys, it's currently midnight here in Bangkok and this is our last night here. Sadly, sobrang naman kasi na last night na namin and sobrang na-enjoy ko talaga here. But, it was a beautiful experience for me, honestly. It's a beautiful country and beautiful people. Sobrang bait na naman, sobrang saya. Food's great, experience is great, a lot of things are great. Masakit yung paa, katawan, mainit, but it was all great. So, yan, I'm about to go to 7-Eleven right now, pero pupuntahan ko may mga pinsang gusto pamasahe sila. So, yun lang. I'll update you guys later. Hi guys. Airport na. Done na vacation. Work na ulit. Pagtrabahuhan na ulit yung mga nagastos. Pag nang pag-usapan magkano. Pero, it was fun. Masaya talaga siya. Good experience. Good food. Everything. Very tiring, but everything was so nice. So, yun. Hindi ko alam kung narinig niyo ako kasi maraming tao.
Place the mask over your nose.
We have various meals like beef tapa.
Hey guys! So, ayun, as you can see, iba yung itsura ko from my intro kasi natagalan ako. At nabisi din. Nabisi ako guys sa work. So, ngayon ko lang siya natapos. And as you can see, umaga. And when I say umaga, it's currently 5:51 a.m. Magsi 6 a.m. na po. Opo, tinuloy ko na siya kasi day off ko naman na. So, mahaba ang tulog-tulugan ko today. Ganyan na yung itsura. Sagad-sagad na to, te. Todo na to. Huwag na tayong mahiya ngayon, te. So, ito na siya, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog that you watched. This is my first ever vlog of the year. Out of many, hopefully. Fingers crossed, guys. If you guys really did enjoy this vlog, I hope you guys don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell for more updates and for more upcoming videos. So that's it for my vlog, guys. I hope you guys like this first one. I love you guys so much. Hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye!